This is Dr. Beasley's Timber Coat Kit, a complete kit for cleaning and protecting open pore wood veneer, a substrate that is becoming much more common in vehicle interiors. And this is important because dirt and grime and contaminants can easily embed into these pores, and traditional cleansers and techniques can distort the texture or even discolor the finish. That's why it's important to have the appropriate products that can safely lift contaminants as well as protect against future messes, as Dr. Beasley's Timber Coat Kit provides. The Timber Coat Kit comes with your timber cleanser as well as your timber coat. You can also choose to select the Timber Coat Kit with the accessories that'll include a 2-pack of microfiber towels as well as a dual-sided brush, one side for cleansing, the other side for the coating. Timber Cleanser lifts out embedded grime, oil, and dirt, and also breaks down stains while maintaining structure as well as an even appearance of the substrate. Timber Coat bonds with the microstructures of open pore wood veneer. It'll resist grime, repel water, it preserves the appearance, and it is a VOC-free formulation. These products are easy to use. When it comes to Timber Cleanser, first thing we're gonna do is get our brush, the more aggressive side, and then we're going to lightly mist on the surface, and then we're going to prime our brush, and we're gonna go ahead and agitate. Now, the reason we're using a brush here, folks, is twofold. Number one, the bristles are gonna loosen any embedded contaminants that are trapped inside these pores and grooves. And number two, excessive rubbing from a microfiber towel could potentially damage the finish. So this is actually the appropriate technique. Now, after we have cleansed the surface, of course, we're gonna come back with a microfiber towel and gently blot and lightly wipe away any residue that's on the surface. Now, again, just as easy when we go to the coating, folks. We're gonna go back to the brush once again, but we're gonna go to the softer side of the brush this time, and we're gonna prime it with 3 to 4 drops of the coating. And now we're gonna gently paint the coating onto the wood veneer, being sure to follow the grain pattern so that way we can penetrate into all those nooks and crannies and get complete protection all around the surface. We're going to allow for dwell time, but without letting it completely dry on the surface. And then we're going to come back with a microfiber towel and lightly blot any residual coating still remaining on the surface. These products are designed to maintain and preserve open pore wood veneer. They're great for anyone with kids or for people who enjoy outdoor adventuring. Of course, folks, the benefits of these products are not just limited to the interior realm. You can also see the benefits of these products in your home on your open pore wood veneer furniture. If you have any questions about these or any other Dr. Beasley's products, reach out to us. You can call us at 773-404-1600 or email us, myteam@drbeasleys.com. Thank you and take care.